We took on the Anderson project in December of 21, and pretty much when we got in here, the house had already been gutted by the previous owner. A few walls had been removed, the drywall insulation had all been removed. It was essentially a shell of a house. We came in and we reframed a couple of walls, added some walls to give more defined spaces such as the kitchen, dining room, living room. The floor plan changed quite a bit. As being an older house, you had more rooms. We had an actual wall running right through the middle here with a doorway that entered the dining room and another doorway that entered the dining room, then to a smaller bedroom. We took out this wall to give us more of an open concept with a kitchen integrated with the living room. In here we have more custom cabinetry. We have a built-in range hood with exhaust, pot filler, new backsplash tile, Cambria countertops in Bellingham. The master suite really has been about the same size since we came in here. The only thing that we did was install a doorway that then went into the master bath suite, but we also added closet space, which this house had very little of. And then used a set of barn doors to kind of tie it off. The bathroom, we did quite a bit of change and a lot of work in here. It was a smaller bathroom, smaller floor footprint. It had a single vanity, a toilet, and I believe it was a standard tub shower. We actually took out that doorway, opened the doorway into the bedroom, expanded the bathroom to incorporate our onyx shower, new double vanities with bowl, toilet, and a freestanding tub. We wanted to create a smaller bathroom on the back of the house to provide basically a second bathroom, but we installed a corner onyx shower, new vanity, new toilet, and tile floors throughout this bath, laundry room, mudroom area. The old kitchen area, removed it, added the second bathroom, which we just saw. We added modern laundry hookups, new tile floor, and more closet space. The floors, we had existing hardwood that we had sanded, filled, and stained with a newer dark modern color. The HVAC system has been updated as well to include air conditioning, and all of the plumbing is new PVC drain lines, PEX water lines, all new electrical lines throughout the house, modern LED lighting.